In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up variations on Etsy listings. Variations let buyers choose things like size, color, or material within a single listing, which keeps your shop organized and makes checkout easier. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Etsy. Click the first result to go straight to the site. Log into your seller account so you have access to all the shop tools. After logging in, click your account icon and choose Account Settings. This is a quick way to confirm you're in the right account and that your shop details look correct before you create anything new. Next, navigate to your Shop Manager. This is the hub for everything related to your store. On the left-hand menu, click Listings. Here you'll see any existing listings you've already created. To start a new one, click the plus Add a Listing button. We'll build this listing with variations from the start. You'll be prompted to select a category. Begin typing into the category field, then select the most accurate match from the results, and click Continue. The more precise your category, the better Etsy can surface the right variation types and filters for your product. When asked about the item type, select Physical Item. Variations are most commonly used for physical goods like apparel, accessories, or home items, where size and color matter to buyers. Now go to the Variations tab within the listing editor. Click plus Add Variations. You'll see a list of common variation types such as color, size, length, or material. Choose the one that fits your product or click Create your own if you use a unique attribute. Clear, buyer-friendly labels are key here. Keep names short and consistent. Under Options, use the drop-down to add each choice your product comes in. Click the plus sign to add each option, like small, medium, large, or red, blue, green, and then click Done. Add only the options you can reliably fulfill to avoid overselling. If you're creating your own variation, make sure the term is easy to understand, like fragrance or finish. With your variation set, finish filling out the rest of the listing details. Add high-quality photos, write a concise description, set pricing, quantity, and shipping. Double-check that your variations display correctly in the preview and that everything reads clearly. When everything looks good, click Publish with changes. That's it. You've set up variations on your Etsy listing, making it easier for buyers to choose exactly what they want and for you to manage inventory in one place.